this is Damini, co-founder of VMake Scholars. Thanks for watching LoanFlix in Shorts. So this video is made to give you an overview of the rate of interest of abroad education loans going on in the market. So I'll be providing you the figures of rate of interest with respect to each category of lender, and in the end I'll share my tips on how to reduce your rate of interest. So let's start. Number one is government banks. So government banks offer the lowest rate of interest, and it is generally between 9 to 10%. So there is no defined top limit for these banks. It can go up to 1.5 to 2 CR as well. So it all depends on your total expenses and the value of collateral. So to know in detail, you should watch episode 5th of LoanFlix web series. Number 2 is private banks. So private banks, not all of them offer loan above 7.5 lakh as non-collateral, but those who offer non-collateral loans, their rate of interest is generally between 11% to 12.5%. Number 3 is NBFCs. So NBFCs offer non-collateral loans at a rate of interest of 11.5 to 13.5%. The range is so broad because it varies from country of study to country of study. So for example, for US, it starts at 11.5% and goes up to 12.5% maximum. And for Canada, it starts at 12% and goes maximum to 13%, and so on. Number 4 is foreign lenders. So there are few foreign lenders who offers you loan in USD. So these lenders, the rate of interest offered is between 8.5% to 11%. Now with the look of it, you might feel that 8.5% is the lowest in the market. But believe me, this 8.5% is equivalent to 13% of an Indian loan. To know more details about it, you should watch episode 10th of LoanFlix web series, which does a detailed comparison between a foreign lender loan to an Indian loan. But keep in mind, you get the lower limits of the above mentioned rate of interest only if you apply via VMake Scholars. By processing with us, you get minimum 0.5% reduction in your rate of interest for private banks and NBFCs. For example, one of the major private bank in India is offering 10.99% for a non-collateral loan if you apply via VMake Scholars. But the same bank offers 11.5% if you walk into their branch directly and apply there. This is majorly because of two reasons. Number one, VMake Scholars is funded by Government of India. Hence, majority of the students who are looking for an abroad education loan apply via VMake Scholars. So these banks get plenty of student referrals via VMake Scholars. Hence, we are able to negotiate a special rate of interest for our students. Number 2, VMake Scholars is their national education loan partner. So we work very closely with these banks. Hence, we get these benefits. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments below and I'll definitely get back to you. If you appreciate the effort we put in to bring out this information to you, then please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates. Do like and share this with your friends and colleagues who might be planning to study abroad, because you never know, lack of funds might be stopping their dream. Keep watching LoanFlix.
Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from us.